Hello, everyone. My name is Sabrena, and I'm the programmer at the People's Public Library. Today, for Storytime, I'm going to be reading Peep and Ducky Rainy Day by David Martin and illustrated by David Walker. Published by Candlewick Press. Text copyright 2015 by David Martin and illustrations copyright 2015 by David Walker. Ducky's in his house on a wet, rainy day. In comes Peep, yelling, "Ducky, wanna play?" Ducky runs to Peep, Peep runs to Ducky. Such good friends. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Ducky says, "Tent." Peep says, "Hide." So they hang up a blanket and crawl inside. Peep whispers, "Shh, it's dark. It's night." Then he shouts out, "Pillow fight!" Down goes the tent. Kabam! Kaboom! And pillows fly across the room. Peep falls down right on Ducky. They bonk heads. Not so lucky. "What's happening?" says Papa. "Nothing," says Ducky. And Papa just laughs. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Then Peep looks out and says, "It's pouring." "But playing inside," says Ducky, "is boring." So Peep gets his boots and Ducky does too. Peep's are red and Ducky's are blue. "Hey," says Ducky, "watch this trick. Open sesame, umbrella. One, two, click." But whoosh! The wind is blowing hard and the umbrella flies across the yard. But Ducky holds on and Peep holds Ducky, and away they fly. Lucky, lucky, lucky. "Hey, look," says Ducky, "the umbrella can float." "Climb in," says Peep. "It's a boat." "I'm the captain," says Peep. But Ducky says, "Me." And they shout and shout, "No, me! No, me!" Me and you, says Peep. Two captains, says Ducky. And that settles that. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Then the wind blows harder and the little boat tips. It rocks, it rolls, it flops, it flips. Boom! It thunders, and Peep cries, "Wow!" "Come in!" yells Papa. "Come in right now!" "We made it," says Peep. "We made it," says Ducky. "I was scared," says Peep. "Me too," says Ducky. "Uh-oh," says Ducky. "Your mamma's outside." And Peep says, "Quick! Come on! Let's hide!" "I see you," says Mamma. "And I know you want to stay, but we need to go." "See you soon," says Peep. "On the moon," says Ducky. "Such good friends. Lucky, lucky, lucky." The end. And that was Peep and Ducky, Rainy Day. All right, everybody, it's time for a sing along. Today we're going to be singing to Rain, Rain, Go Away. The lyrics are Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play, rain, rain, go away. Then we'll have mommy, brother, sister, and baby. And then the whole family wants to play. All right, I think we are ready. Let's try this. Rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. The family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Very good, everybody. Excellent job. If you want to check out that song, there'll be a link in the description below. All right, everybody. Next is the craft. And today I made Duck and Peep, who's a bird, little puppets. So these are little finger puppets, and there'll be a link for these in the description below. And I used yellow for Ducky and blue for Peep. And their little wings are made out of uh, cupcake foils. So if you guys make these, you can have adventures with Peep and Duck. Also linked in the description below is a Hoopla recommendation for It's Raining by Celeste Bishop. All right, everybody, stay safe and stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.